Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk-around. Thanks for taking a look. This is the 2019, the Ford F-350, the Super Duty. Stock number is 7394. Let's show you this virtual video walk-around on this immaculate pre-owned vehicle. Take notice of the exterior condition. No scratches, no dents, no dings, absolutely flawless. Of course, as you can see, it does have the bed liner. Does have the rear power window, 4x4 edition. Tow package, imperfect video allowing you to see the Super Duty up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. You've heard it around the Puget Sound, warranty protection life, oil changes for life. You just get more here at Sunset Ford. Take notice of the interior rear. You got lots of ample legroom for friends and family possibly traveling with you. Fully loaded with heated seats, leather as you can see on the front, and easy access to all the controls within arm's length. Super low miles and a huge selection of F-350 Super Duties right here at Sunset Ford. For more information, call us, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down. We look forward to meeting you in person and hopefully earning your business. Hope you've enjoyed this virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.